Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the best free alternatives that you can get to the 1Password. Now in the past I was using 1Password, I'm not using it anymore, so I want to share with you what are the best ones. The right one, the best one in my opinion is the Bitwarden. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. They like improve the user experience, the user interface. When you're gonna come here to pricing, you see like the personal here and you see like the free forever. And even like when you have, I even have like premium, I paid for it. So it's like $1 per month. So it's like very cheap. And this is like great thing. So check out the Bitwarden, is insane in my opinion. And this is not like a random AI video, okay? And now the next one is also the KeyPass. So this is like another one that you can like check out. Maybe you're gonna have it beneficial for you. So this is another one. I don't have much experience with it, but maybe it's going to be like beneficial for you. Then the Proton Pass. This is another one that you can like check out. When you're gonna come here to pricing, you'll see Proton free that you can actually like use it, or like $2.99 a month. So this is like another one that you can actually like use. And then also the Buttercup. This is like another one that maybe could be like also beneficial for you. So yeah, Buttercup is also interesting. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.